So, Mr. Gupta, thanks a lot for this conversation.
Thank you for having.
First question, at this Intersolar event, what you are flaunting? What are the main products that you are showcasing?
See, right now TopCon is in the demand, so we are showcasing our N-type TopCon modules here, and we are right now glass-to-glass modules ready to deliver. So that is the one product. Apart from that, monoperk and monofacial is already there.
So, what is the current capacity of module manufacturing and where you want to take your company up to in terms of capacity?
See, right now Cosmic is having two plants in Surat. One is for dedicated to 600 megawatt monoperk, and another is 800 megawatt TopCon. So total capacity right now running is 1.4 gigawatt. We are planning to add another 1.6 gigawatt. So 800 plus 800, which we are planning to add by end of first quarter. Order has been already placed to equipment supplier. Construction has started. So in next 4 months, that production will also in our book. So total capacity 3 gigawatt will be there.
So, what will be your major thirst in the coming 1 or 2 year? Like in terms of monoperk or TopCon, what will dominate in your production facility?
See, change is like, the thumb rule of the nature, we all know. So earlier it was poly, now mono. Then mono has governed the market for 2.5 years. Next year I am seeing TopCon will be the product which will be in huge demand and, dominating product. So yeah, slowly and steadily the demand of monoperk will decrease and TopCon will increase.
So, any plans for going for HJT or any other module technology?
It is early to say, but yes, there are like several news coming. But we are like on a standby mode, you can say. If the market will start receiving the HJT technology, so we will think to start HJT module production line also.
So now the MNRE has already planned to bring a solar cell under ALCM. So are you also planning to launch solar cell manufacturing? Any preparations towards that?
To be very honest, see, this is one of the most welcome move I can say after they have put ALMM in modules. Now they are putting cell also. Yes, like it may be something big for Cosmic right now, but over a period of time we are seeing ourselves to having a cell line. Let's say in couple of years.
So you talk about being one of the trusted partner when it comes to OEM. So why you think the people, the companies have posed trust, confidence on you? What are the major reasons you have become a good brand towards this?
See, to be very honest, since our inception, if we talk, see, there are many companies who can claim we produce quality modules, right? But you know what happened? Their quality or whatever checking points, it all in house. Sometimes they get there's some module check in that lab also, test lab, which verify yes. So many companies produce quality modules, but when it comes to OEM, you are producing for some bigger brand or someone who is having manufacturing capacity much higher than you. So they have better quality team. So suppose I am doing right now 20 plus OEM. So those companies, quality team has visited many times to our factory. They have audited our process, equipment, and the entire quality checks has been done multiple times. It's an ongoing process in our factory by from buyer side. Not so we are not claiming. So whatever modules we are producing, it is one of the best in quality, and we are not getting from someone one time order. It's a repeat order. So itself it's a proof that Cosmic can produce better modules.
So how healthy is your order book?
See, as I said, we have two line, one for mono and one dedicated to TopCon. Our TopCon line is fully booked for next financial year. We have already taken multiple orders. It is overbooked. Monoperk is also completely booked for first 2 quarter, and soon it will be also like going to be for whole year. But it's like monoperk, so we are like thinking to convert it in TopCon by second quarter. So we are keeping our order book for monoperk for first 2 quarter only. In H1, after H2, we are planning to convert it in H2 in TopCon. And another two line of TopCon we are adding just because we are fully, sold out. So next financial year, you can say yes, Cosmic is fully booked.